Hello again guys and welcome back to the channel. Quick video for you today, just a little bit of an update. The 100,000 subscriber giveaway I was working on did end. The two winners were selected. One was from here in the United States, one was from India. I'm gonna do my best to try to mail those packages out today. However, there is one more giveaway, and it's over there. And that is for yet another essential phone. Yes, I do have other videos in the works. Actually, the camera that I'm filming this on, it's the Sony RX100 Mark VI. I've got a video that I'm working on about that. I've got a video about this little device that I'm actually going to be reading off of. This is the Surface Go. That one's coming out soon too. Anyway, for the details about the giveaway, I'm teaming up with a couple of other guys, TK Bay and Juan Carlos Bagnell. I'm going to be giving away this last essential phone. They are teaming up to give away a OnePlus 6, so you have your chance to get one of two different phones, both very nice phones if I do say so, and there are just a couple of rules. This is going to be a little bit different than the giveaway that I just completed. There's a total mandatory 6 entries you have to do. That's Twitter and YouTube for each of the three of us, and there's a few other ways you can earn points in this giveaway. The first one that I find really interesting, you can get a bonus 20 points if you do a 30 to 60 second video describing or just saying why you would need a new phone, what it would change in your life, how it would help you. That one's optional, but again, 20 points, so that's a pretty massive entry there. It does have to be public, we have to be able to see it and validate it and everything. You get an entry point for tweeting about the giveaway and tagging us in that. Again, that one's optional, and actually I think that's the majority of the information about it. It is an international giveaway, meaning that we'll be covering the shipping on the device. Just keep in mind that if you live in a place where you have to pay an import tax, we don't cover that. Once the giveaway ends, and it looks like it's going to be ending on the 27th at midnight Pacific time, you're going to have 48 hours once you've been notified that you're a winner to respond with all of your shipping information, and I think that's it. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these essential phones, or possibly a OnePlus 6, I still haven't got my hands on the OnePlus 6, and I'm still thinking about that, check out the link down in the video description. Thanks to TK and to Juan for reaching out and for offering to meet up with me to do this giveaway. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and again, we'll be getting back to sort of regular videos in the very near future. I've got two, like I said, in the works, and a lot more. Just looking over there, a lot more to come. My shelves are overflowing. Thank you guys again for subscribing, for following, for all of the stuff that you do to keep me in the position that I'm in. I definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you again next time.